Hello children, hello everyone. I'm back with yet another letter, एक और letter और उसकी sound. We are going to learn our letter K. Letter C that makes the sound K. But before we learn, quickly press the subscribe button. Join us, our Ivy Kids page, and keep learning to such interesting phonics concepts. Okay, so let's get started. We are learning all about letter C. This is letter C, the big C, the mama C, the uppercase C. And C makes the sound K, K. And this is baby C or the small c or the lowercase c. Yes, letter C makes the sound K. Say it with me, K, K. Now let's look at this. Here is Mr. Carl. Carl. Carl is looking for his camera. Where is my camera? Where is my camera? Who has his camera? Cat has his camera. Cat goes click, click. Cat, click. Where is my car? Car. Where is Carl's car? Do you know who has his car? Cow has his car. Cow. Letter C. Cow has his car. Letter C. Car. Cow is driving Carl's car. Now Carl is looking for his cap. Where is his cap? Cap. Camel has his cap. Camel. C for camel and C for cap. So, what are the words that we learned? We learned camera, camera, click, cow, cat, camel, cap and car. Now some more words. Carrot, letter C, carrot, carrot, C for carrot, C for cake, yummy cake. Do we all like to eat cake? Yes, we do. Corn, the yellow corn, yummy, healthy corn. Cut and can. So many words. I'm sure there are many more words that you know with letter C. If you know any words, do type it in the comment sections and send us more words with letter C. And to keep learning phonics, stay tuned for our next phonics sounds and do subscribe and join and like our video. Thank you for joining. See you all soon.